gently sweeping away the dust from these vintage gauges. And now the headlight casing. Look at that shine. Getting into these tight spots is crucial for a proper restoration. See how the aluminum shines now. Now we apply the soap, getting deep into those spokes. Just look at the grime washing away. So much history here. The rust on the tank is significant, and these rubber seals are completely cracked. A true barn find.
Okay, now we gently lift the seat to reveal the frame underneath. Look at all that dust. This is the original paint on this 72 Z1. We're just gonna gently lift the cover off and set it down over here. Okay, Z1 tank bolts. Let's get this rust moving. Hear that?
This is the fuel line. We're carefully disconnecting the aged hoses now.
Okay, inspecting the welds now. See the rust creeping in here. Need to clean this mounting point thoroughly before we move forward.
We're using the soft brush to apply the converter evenly across the frame.
Just getting all the fine dust off this Z1 frame before paint.
The carbon buildup here tells a story. We'll set this aside in the tray and move on to the next one. And now we gently separate the halves, revealing the crankshaft and the transmission within. The valve cover goes on next. We use fresh stainless steel fasteners and tighten them evenly to spec. Look at these tiny brass jets. They need a careful cleaning before we put them in the ultrasonic bath. We use a soft nylon brush to gently work the cleaner deep into the links, removing decades of grime. We apply slow, even pressure until the bearing seats perfectly. Notice the fresh grease glistening around the contact surfaces. With the right compound and a little patience, you can see the oxidation lift, leaving behind this perfect mirror finish.
Gently seating the new seal. Now just a thin layer of this lubricant right here. So satisfying.
With the bushings in place, slide the fork tube down. Now it's time for the clean oil, followed by the final torque setting.
And it slides right in. Perfect alignment, just like it should be.
carefully lifting the polished wheel into the forks. Now watch as the lubricated axle slides smoothly through the hub.
The brakes are fully restored. We're tightening the mounting bolts now, making sure they're perfectly even.
Carefully sliding this into place. And now tightening the fasteners. Nice and secure.
Smooth as silk, she's ready.
Listen closely to the sound of perfection. Every component singing in harmony. A true masterpiece of engineering.
Restoring a 72 Z1 takes patience. Look at that reflection. It's truly a labor of love.
We use only the finest ceramic coating to achieve this deep, wet look on the Z1's tank. A true icon reborn, the 1972 Kawasaki Z1, polished, perfected, and ready for the road.